Welcome to back my YouTube channel and subscribe, and like to share a dimly lit garage. A close-up of the Mustang's aggressive front grille. The camera slowly moves over the Super Snake badging. Born from a legacy of power, engineered for dominance, this is the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake 800. Engine roars to life, echoing through the garage. Cut to the Mustang ripping down an open desert highway, kicking up dust. Slow motion shots of its aerodynamic curves, large air intakes, and carbon fiber accents. 800 horsepower of raw American muscle. A supercharged 5.2 Tom 8 that breathes fire. This isn't just speed, it's a statement tires screech as the Mustang drifts around a curve, leaving a trail of smoke. The Super Snake takes on a professional racetrack, weaving between cones, showing off its track-tuned suspension and aggressive stance. Advanced suspension, razor, sharp handling, a symphony of power and precision. This machine isn't just built for the streets, it owns them. Rapid gear shifts, the supercharger whines as the car accelerates. Interior shots show premium leather seats, a digital gauge cluster, and performance controls. Luxury meets adrenaline, a cockpit designed for those who demand the best. Advanced tech, track-ready features, a legend reborn. The Mustang parks at a scenic overlook as the sun sets. The Shelby Super Snake logo glows under the fading light. More than a car, more than a Mustang, this is the ultimate expression of power. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake 800. Unleash the beast. Final rev of the engine fading into silence.